Islam is the second largest religion in the Russian Federation, after Orthodox Christianity, and is recognized as one of Russia's traditional religions. It has a long and complex history within the country. Here is an overview of Islam in Russia. 1. History and presence. Ancient roots. Islam arrived within the borders of modern-day Russia as early as the 7th century in the North Caucasus region, Dagestan, and was adopted by the Volga Bulgars, ancestors of the Volga Tatars, in 922 CE, making it a deeply indigenous faith. Expansion and conflict. The religion flourished in states like the Golden Horde and various Muslim Khanate, example, Kazan, Astrakhan, Crimea. Russian expansion saw periods of both conflict and coexistence, notably with policies of relative tolerance under rulers like Catherine the Great, followed by periods of repression during the Soviet-era state atheism. Post-Soviet revival. Following the collapse of the Soviet Union, Islam experienced a significant revival, with mosques reopening, Islamic education expanding, and Muslim political activity regaining legal recognition. 2. Demographics and distribution. Population. Estimates of the Muslim population in Russia vary, but are generally cited between 14 and 25 million, around 10 to 15% of the total population, making Russia home to the largest Muslim population in Europe. Geographic concentration. The majority of Muslims are concentrated in two main regions, Volga-Ural region, primarily the republics of Tatarstan and Bashkortostan, where ethnic Tatars and Bashkirs form large Muslim communities. North Caucasus Federal District, republics such as Chechnya, Dagestan, Ingushetia, Kabardino-Balkaria, and Karachay-Cherkessia, where numerous ethnic groups, Chechens, Awars, Darjans, etc., are predominantly Muslim. Urban centers, large Muslim communities, including both citizens from the historic regions and migrants from Central Asia and the Caucasus, are found in major metropolitan areas like Moscow and St. Petersburg. Denominations. The vast majority of Russian Muslims are Sunnis, primarily of the Hanafi school of jurisprudence in the Volga-Ural region and the Shafi'i school in the North Caucasus. There is a small Shia minority, mainly composed of certain ethnic groups like Azeris and some Dagestani people. 3. Role in Russian society. Traditional religion. The Russian government recognizes Islam as one of the four traditional religions of the country, alongside Orthodox Christianity, Buddhism, and Judaism, acknowledging its historical and cultural significance. Official structure. Muslim affairs are largely managed by a few centralized spiritual directorates, such as the Central Spiritual Administration of Muslims of Russia, based in Ufa, and the Spiritual Administration of Muslims of the Russian Federation, based in Moscow, which cooperate with the federal government. Integration and challenges. Russian Muslim communities are highly diverse, reflecting over 30 indigenous ethnic groups. The current status of Islam involves balancing integration into the broader Russian state with maintaining distinct cultural and religious identities. Challenges include addressing radicalization, managing ethnic and interreligious relations, and providing sufficient infrastructure, example, mosques, religious education, for a growing population.